Hey guys, what's up? Jed here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be factorizing quadratic trinomials where a is greater than 1. A is the coefficient of x squared, the number in front of x squared. Step 1, you're going to want to multiply the coefficient of x squared, so this 2 here, and the constant at the end. So multiply them together and take that number off to the side. Step 2, you're going to want to find two numbers that multiply to give you this 4 and add to give you the central value 5. So if you go through the factors of 4, 1 multiplied by 4 gives you 4, and 1 plus 4 also gives you 5. So we got it straight away. What you do next is you take this 1 and the 4 and you rewrite the central term, plus 5x, as plus x and plus 4x. So let me show you how that looks like. 2x squared plus x plus 4x plus 2. So as you can see, this plus 5x has been rewritten as plus 1x plus 4x, which is essentially the factors that we found over here of 4. Now, some people say it makes a difference which positions they go in, but they really don't. If you write them in either position, to the left or to the right, you can still arrive to the final expression without a problem. So what do we do after this step here? We take the two terms to the left of this expression, so 2x squared plus x, and we fully factorize it. So in this case, I can't really pull out a 2 from both terms, but I can pull out an x. So that's what I'm going to do. X, open bracket, 2x plus 1. And then after that, you're going to do the same to the two right-hand terms. So this is going to give us 2x plus 1. Now what you should notice here is these two brackets that are formed should be the same. If they are not the same, then you have made a mistake somewhere. But if they are the same, the next step is the final step and will give you the fully factorized form. So all you have to do is write these two brackets as a single bracket here. What you're effectively doing is you are factorizing these two brackets outside of the entire expression. And then after that, this x plus 2 here, you're going to write it beside the 2x plus 1. And there you have it. You have fully factorized this quadratic trinomial where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. So I'm just going to quickly run you through that again. Step 1 was to multiply the coefficient of x squared, this 2, and the constant at the end. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. Step 2 is to find two numbers that multiply to give you this 4 and add to give you the central value 5. We found them to be 1 and 4. Step 3 is to rewrite your original quadratic expression as you normally would, except with the plus 5x being split up into the factors that you found over here. Step 4 is to factorize the two left terms of this expression and the two right terms of this expression. And when I say factorize, I mean fully factorize them. And the final step, which you can do if these two brackets from step 4 are the same, is to rewrite these brackets as one bracket and to write the remaining terms, x and plus 2, as another bracket. And there you have it. Let's take a look at another example. 4x squared minus 4x minus 3. So let's factorize this. Step 1, multiply this 4 with the negative 3, which gives us negative 12. Step 2, find two numbers that multiply to give you negative 12 and add to give you negative 4. Minus 12 and 1 do not work. Minus 6 and positive 2 do work. Minus 6 plus 2 gives you negative 4, and it also multiplies to give you negative 12. Step 3, rewrite the original expression with the central term being split up into this minus 6 and positive 2. Minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. And just to reassure you that it really doesn't matter which order you write this minus 6x and plus 2x in. Step 4, let's factorize the two left terms and the two right terms as single brackets, and we'll factorize them fully. So here we're going to have 2x minus 3. And over here is an interesting case. It's just going to give us 2x minus 3. There's nothing you can really factor out here. So if you look at your first bracket, which is 2x minus 3, and the last two terms, which is also 2x minus 3, all you can do here is really just put a bracket around this. And the number in front of this bracket will just be 1, which we don't need to write. And the final step is to take these two brackets and write them as one bracket, 2x minus 3, and the remaining bracket being this 2x plus the number that's here, but since there is no number here, we take it to be a 1, and there you have it. That's how you factorize quadratic trinomials where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1, or where a is greater than 1. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you learned something from this lesson. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you and take care.